Hi, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to do a wonderful fun dish. We're getting close to Christmas time, and this is a wonderful side dish to go with turkey or ham, and it's very, very easy. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it inside today, and then we're going to take it outside and cook it in our Dutch oven cooking area, and we're going to have it later with a wonderful turkey that we have smoking on our Traeger and applewood. Does that sound wonderful? Okay, what I'm going to do here is mix this all together in this bowl, and I've got 2 eggs that I've already put in there. I have a half a cup of melted butter, and you got to use real butter, you know, do not substitute. And what I have here is a can of cream corn, and this is a 15-ounce can of cream corn. We're going to go ahead and just dump that in there. You know, and if you do not want to cook this in a Dutch oven, but we love Dutch oven cooking, so that's what our channel is all about. And you can bake it in your oven, and this is baked at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes, and you check it, and if you have to bake it a little bit longer, you do. Okay, so that was a can of cream corn and a can of whole corn that you drain. And then you put in a box of cornbread mix. And this was Corn Muffin mix, and this is an 8-ounce one. You just dump that in there dry. You just dump everything in there, and then this is a cup of sour cream. Put that in there. This is one of my children's favorite holiday dishes that they just love. They call it their corny casserole. I don't know, just a fun name to call it that. Now I'm going to take this whip and just kind of whip this all together. We hope you enjoy this with us today, and we hope you subscribe. If you subscribe, what that does, and you hit the little icon button, it tells you and alerts you that every Tuesday we put out another wonderful fun video, and boy, we have a lot of fun ones. And of course, right now we're getting awfully close to Christmas, so we're doing a lot of holiday ones. So you just mix that real well. And I'm going to bake this today in a 12-inch Dutch oven, and I've gone ahead and put in my square 8x8 Pyrex dish that I have here that I sprayed with Pam. And we line our Dutch oven with aluminum foil, and it's very easy then. Then you can just lift it out when it's done. I'm going to mix this just a little bit more. You know, we also have a website, and if you go to that website, it's WyomingDutchOvenCooking.com, and if you go to that website, there's a lot of really fun things. One of them is a user's guide that tells you all the care of how to take care of cast iron, and we have a lot of spices and things and other things that we love to cook with, and some cast iron cookware that we love to cook with. So if you go to that, that's a wonderful thing also. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my prepared pan that I've got here. I love this mixing bowl. And just put everything right in here and mix it. There you go. Okay, we'll see you after a bit. We're going to take this out and bake it and have it to go along with our turkey later. Thank you. Well, our wonderful corny casserole got done, and boy, does it look delicious. This is so wonderful with turkey, ham, whatever you want to have. It's just a wonderful holiday side dish. And I'm going to show you what is so easy about this. We're just going to lift this out by this heavy-duty foil. and put this on my cooling rack right here. See how easy that is? And it's really great for when you're out up in the mountains or out camping on the desert, which, you know, we're down here in Yuma, Arizona. We're down here in this wintertime loving it, and it works great. You just don't have any cleanup here. And of course, we're bragging on our wonderful turkey that we smoked on our Traeger today. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Of course, we're going to have mashed potatoes and gravy and cranberries and all your other fun things that you have with your Christmas dinner. And of course, our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals great times. Of course, we sure wish that our family was with us today, but they're up in Montana and we're down here, but we're definitely going to share this with some very dear friends this evening. Until we meet again, thank you.